If you're a real convertible owner, you drive through the rain. So I just want you to be prepared, Xander. If you go quick enough, the rain doesn't hit you. Anybody buying an old Mazda Miata needs to know the quick roof technique. Oh God, the back window's still down. Yeah, so if you drive fast enough through a rainstorm, the rain actually won't hit you whatsoever, which is proof by the fact that we're totally dry in this rainstorm. Then the sun comes out. Second month put away. That's annoying. We're gonna hop in the Miata and we're gonna go get a car wash. And that'll give the garage time to cool down. That way when we come back to do the coatings, the cars will be cool and the room will be cool and we'll be good to go. Ready, Xander?
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah. It's so slow. It's so slow. You think we're going fast and then you see the SUV in front of us just coasting and we're not even catching them. Tokyo Drift. We're thinking the same thing. Right there, feel that? No, you didn't feel that because I'm an expert slipping that clutch. Ah! This is the slowest pump I've ever been at. We just hit $20. It's been like 5 minutes.
Oh my God. America.
Yeah. We just got our car washed. So she's kind of shiny. It's just too hot. I'm ready to go back to the house. Car should be cool and the garage should be cool and we're gonna go in there.
Somebody ran over their wash mitt.
Oh yeah, should we pull up? They have a wash mitt on the pavement. And then the car runs it over.
23.93. We were both off.
I'm gonna try to fit all 25 in it. I'm putting 25 in it.
Oh God,
Here
it's
you
not
go.
even working.
It's stopping a lot.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh.
I wouldn't even do it.
Yeah, I have to
It's
go
not
get
worth
changed.
it. You have to get.
Are you kidding me? Just put the. Why don't I just have Jaden pull up and I'll put some in hers? That's really annoying.
It's so far from it.
How much will $1 buy?
Not much.
Okay, it can't take any more.
No, I don't think it can handle the rest of that.
Every time I pull this out,
I just go get your like 86 cents.
every time I pull this out, the like top fills with water.
Yeah, I would just go get your 86 cents. So now you can go in and just be like, well, it was close.
Well, now we can see how it does on gas mileage, I guess. Get change inside. Whatever, jerk.
Yeah, so he decided to put 25 bucks on it on this pump, and the guy just kind of looked at him and said, "Will it hold 25 bucks?"
86 cents. I thought it was gonna jump to full.
Well, at least now you don't have to worry about missing the shop.
Not filming that for 85 years. Oh God. All right, let's go home now. Just occurred to me that two auto detailers in the middle of doing a ceramic coating just left the like detail garage to go get a cheap car wash by some cheerleaders, which is super funny. Yeah, it was for my girlfriend. They seemed really happy to spray it with a hose. Thank you, cheerleaders.
They did good.
Xander, I'm gonna tell you this right now, but when you're in a convertible and it starts raining and you put the roof up, you fail. I mean, if you're a real convertible owner, you drive through the rain. So I just want you to be prepared, Xander. If the sky decides to, which it does look like it might.
I think it will.
We're getting wet, buddy. We're getting wet. I think it's time to pop up the headlights.
Yeah.
Xander, are you ready for what's about to happen?
No, not at all.
Look at that storm. We're driving into that storm. And honestly...
Oh yeah, you see that lightning?
Yeah. Well, because when it rains, this thing fills with water anyway, so I already have to like steam clean it out because it smells like an old boat. So at this point, I'm gonna drive it in the rain. I'm at that point. I do it in the Spitfire too. It's just so fun. Because if you go quick enough, the rain doesn't hit you.
I don't think we're gonna be able to avoid all that rain.
I'm so excited.
It's just gonna go over here and in here.
But look how tall I am. So the rain's gonna help me.
Your forehead's gonna be covered. We do a lot of things that probably don't make sense, but it's okay because we have fun.
This is a bad idea. Oh, here's the rain. Here we go. It's starting. Oh no!
Yes. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. I got it drifted. Why did we do this?
I don't know. I kind of like it. It's very refreshing.
It was really hot all week, so
I should have, you know.
Jaden's gone behind us. She's gone.
She's given up on us.
I can't go slower because I need the rain to not just be falling straight down on us.
Oh my God. Oh wow. This is nice.
Do we give in and put it up at the stop sign, or do we just do it?
No, I think we give in for a little bit.
Yeah,
I can't see anything.
All right. So this is something. Anybody that's buying an old Mazda Miata, needs to know the quick roof technique. You cannot try to put the roof up
this is gonna be
when
wet.
it's raining because because otherwise you're gonna rip the roof off. So you got to come to a stop, and the second you get under 15 miles an hour, slap that thing on there.
Nailed it.
Latch it, and then you gotta put those windows up.
God.
And that is the quick. Oh God, the back window's still down.
What was that about driving through a rainstorm?
Yeah, so if you drive fast enough through a rainstorm, the rain actually won't hit you whatsoever, which is proof by the fact that we're totally dry in this rainstorm.
It's a good thing we went to a car wash.
Yeah, no, I mean, it was a really great investment going to that car wash just in time to get rained on. Drift. There it is.
Whoa.
For a second.
My pants.
It just fixes itself. It's so annoying. And I can't drift uphill because it doesn't have enough power. It just fixes itself and goes straight again. You have to carry some speed through. I've done it a little bit, but what's happening out there? It's actually shooting through the crack and hitting my face. This is not okay.
I keep getting dripped on. Who's ready for some donuts?
That's not bad. She just shook her. She's like, no, that ain't it. In the wet's the only time you can really get to let loose, but when we kicked it all the way around, it stopped. I lit off the gas and I put it back on, and it wasn't like gonna stop drifting. It was like, all right, let's keep going around.
Miatas, man, they're pretty great.
Dude, they're fun. Really fun little cars.
But now that's already wet, might as well just throw the top down and let her air out, I guess.
We let it sit like that, so it's open, but also the roof will like not be folded over on itself all the way.
That's true. It's a pretty car. The hood's open, by the way. Don't think that it's just broken. I promise it's not. I think that overall was a success.
I feel great.
Okay. Well, I'm very refreshed.
I feel like I succeeded.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. I'm talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear. cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all the fiction the game is repeating.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.